What if your next home had 4 bedrooms, almost 2,000 square feet, an affordable $535,000 in Sacramento? Hi, Luann here at 10 Scenic Point Place here in Sacramento. Come on in, let's check out this move-in ready home. This home offers 1,962 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, perfectly designed for both comfort and functionality. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice the open living space, perfect for both entertaining and everyday living. The spacious living room creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, while the open concept kitchen features rich cabinetry, plenty of counter space, and a seamless flow into the dining area. It's a setup that makes cooking and gathering with loved ones easy and enjoyable. Upstairs, the generously sized bedrooms provide privacy and comfort for the whole family. The primary suite is a true retreat, filled with light and plenty of space to unwind at the end of the day. What buyers love about this neighborhood is not just the home itself, but the lifestyle that comes with it. Scenic Point Place is tucked into a quiet, family-friendly community while still being close to top-rated schools, parks, shopping, and dining. As you can see, this home has it all. If you'd like a private showing or have any questions, contact me, Luann, today. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be the first to get my upcoming listings and buyer and seller real estate tips. And I'll see you on the next one.